Come on, everybody. Tad with Crusher Joe. Today, Deborah and I out fishing for a little bit. Actually, we got a little falling tide right now. The wind's not blowing 25 miles per hour. So let's see what we can go do. Y'all stay tuned.
Georgie. The way you flung, and it sounds like it's going to be a huge one.
Yeah. Breathe. Follow us around. You ain't scared, huh?
Mm-mm. He's a baby. He's just curious. I'm gonna come here and grab one of these worms.
That's not my fishing, dude. I guess it's your house. Right there. Come on, dude. Go.
He's like, you go. I'm not going anywhere.
Got an alligator right in front of the boat. Every time I throw my top water, he's trying to eat it. Shoot.
Shoot. Shoot. Get out of here.
It's a red.
Well, my first fish for the morning.
A red
Red,
fish.
little rat red. Would you quit slapping me on the leg?
Gold spoon. I'm throwing a Johnson Gold Spoon 1/4 ounce, and I'm putting a split tail trailer on it. What that does is when you put this split tail trailer on your spoon, it gives it a little action. It slows the action down to where without the trailer, it's real wobbly and erratic. I don't want it like that. So we put a split tail trailer on it, and it causes the spoon, it does like this, real slow. And I love fishing a spoon when it's like with that. That's my favorite fish a spoon is with trailer on it.
Is that good on there?
You got him. Big school of them like that. Oh, humongous school of them. Look at the colors. Look how gold these fish are, man. They are beautiful. That's when they come out of this brackish water. Really almost fresh water right now. Lots of grass. They just get pretty as can be.
Can you take my bait?
Never got another one. Look how pretty. There he is. This one on Brave Angler. The Brave Angler fluke.
Show that one up close to the camera so they can see it.
So Stevie, redfish like your baits. Let's see if I can get another one. Yeah, you might want your waggy worm, huh? That's all. Doubled up. Well, it's one of them days where we come chase the red bass and get the redfish again.
Red bass.
doubled up. Never not doubled up.
I don't think we ever got
So, we swapped over to a regular old Johnson's Gold Spoon. Throwing it on some 50-pound braid. And let's catch and commence with these redfish.
What'd you do with those?
Caught on brave angler. Fluke again. Kind of liking that. You want to keep a couple? That's a keeper.
It's up to you, though.
There's a perch following me. You got a bite? Got him. Look at you.
Finally, I got my back for the day.
Never got a bass. Oh,
Well,
that don't count.
hey, I got him over the boat. Just saved me the trouble.
Oh, it's a Google eye. That's what Ashley and Leanne called that, a Google eye. Well, guys, it was a tough day today. We caught a few redfish and a few bass, but nothing any size. All the bass were just dinks. I guess your typical summertime fishing, man. It's hot. Fish are hot. They don't want to bite. So we did our best. All I can say is, if y'all haven't subscribed to our channel, y'all please subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. God bless you.